Hi, this is Dr. Ali Irani. We run a postgraduate course, that is MPT, Master in Physiotherapy, in NMIMS University, Vile Parle. This course is attached with Nanavati Hospital at Vile Parle itself. It's a 2 years course divided into 4 semesters. The first year, that is 2 semesters, they get a specialty of all the subjects. They are into musculoskeletal, neuroscience, cardio, community-based rehabilitation and sports medicine. After finishing the first semester, it's 3 subjects exam they give at the end of the first semester. Then another 3 subjects they will do it at the second semester. The general gets over and the second year is into the specialty that they have selected for. Maybe musculoskeletal, maybe sports medicine, maybe neuroscience, maybe cardio, or maybe community-based rehabilitation. Why Nanavati? Because it has a tremendous, very good department. We see more than 300 patients a day. Then we have night duties for our students, and there are Sunday duties. And the night duties and Sunday duties give them involvement to see the patient directly and get results. Our course, it is tough. We are tough in getting work done from our students. We need maximum exposure that they get with the patient hands-on. We are into manual therapy. That's why the first year is kept general. The second year, where the thesis starts into the specialized subject they have to derive a subject what is required by science and for the journals.
The uniqueness of our course is we don't only teach, we practice. We lay great importance on clinical reasoning and clinical decision making. Thus, we encourage the thinking process in our students while they independently treat patients and chart out treatment plans. We have already made successful collaborations with big hospitals like Jaslok and Reliance Foundation Harkishan Das Hospital, and we are in the process of making new ones.
We have patients from masses to classes, and that is why our students are used to handle different temperaments of the patients. They have a hands-on exposure, both OPD and IPD. We have various tie-ups with the sports teams where they go for state level, national level and international squash, badminton, football, hockey tournaments.
Our course is from NMIMS University and it is affiliated to Nanavati Hospital. Here we get a good balance between academics as well as cultural activities, I think, which makes us grow.
Our faculty in our course are very friendly and they are helpful at all times, which makes this a very student-friendly course.
Here we get good exposure in adults and pediatric neurotherapy. Also we get advantage of lot of equipments and it helps us to improve our hands-on skills as well.
In this department over here, we get a lot of opportunities to attend medical camps where we get an exposure to go to rural areas and help the rural people and treat patients over there.
We prefer to give something back to the people of the world, what they are studying, and our studies have been well known. The students, that whatever they are doing, it's well known, it's something new. And I hope our course justifies why NMIMS, that you should do MPT at NMIMS.